I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify. I'm sorry I can't record my screen like I normally do, but I'm going to teach you how to record a screen, so I have to use my cell phone. The first thing you're going to do is open up a Chrome browser like this, and then the Screencastify is an extension. It is an orange arrow with a white inside. If it doesn't automatically show up in your extensions, this puzzle is all of your extensions. You can click on that and there's all of my extensions that I have, but I also have Screencastify. I'm going to click on Screencastify and it's going to open this pop-up. You have a couple options. Oh, first it may say like attached to your Google Drive, you need to hit allow. It may come over and say allow your microphone. Sometimes over here there's a pop-up that says allow microphone and camera. You hit this, yes, allow that, and allow it to access your Google Drive because that's where they're going to be saved. So you can record a browser tab, the whole desktop, or just your webcam if you're going to record something that someone's talking. For video editing, we are going to do a newscast, so you're going to record probably just your webcam only, or you can do both where you have your face. You click the embed webcam, it's going to be on the bottom. I'm just going to record the desktop and I'm going to hit record, but before I do that, it's going to ask me on my other screen, which view do I want? Because I have dual monitors. I'm going to use this and then I'm going to hit share. That's going to count down 3, 2, 1. It's going to start recording. Hi, this is how you record a Screencastify. So it's recording my voice right now, which is going to be weird because I'm going to hear my voice in a minute. When you are done clicking around and showing how to do anything on your computer, you're going to come back up to your Screencastify icon and you have to hit this stop button to stop recording. Once you stop, it's going to open up a new window and it automatically saves to your Google Drive, which is totally awesome. I like to change the title. It always defaults to like the date and the time that you do it. I don't like that because it's hard to remember what I was recording. So change the name. How to use Screencastify, done. And then you have 3 options over here. You can just copy the link for our students and for other people in the using Google Classroom with slow internet. Using the link, it usually makes it really slow. It's better to upload it and publish it to YouTube. If you're a student, you probably don't have a YouTube channel, so you're just going to copy the link. If you're a teacher, then make it a YouTube channel and publish it to your YouTube channel. You can also directly attach it to your Google Classroom, and you can do that there. And then you can also download it. You can download it straight as, I would export it as an MP4. That is the format that is most viewable for most users. And then it would be saved on your computer. So that is how you use Screencastify and make a recording.